All right, so we're pulling up today to NAS Pensacola. We're gonna be fishing the storm wall. Last week I caught that nice speckled trout out here. We'll see what I get today. I'm expecting to catch at least some more speckled trout. Got a buddy that's gonna be on the way to fish with me, but y'all stay tuned, we'll see what we get. If you're in a real dead zone too, you could always speed it up. Oh, look at this, that's a big spade fish. He's about to swim under the dock. You missed it. That was like a 12 inch. All right, let me bomb mine out front. Oh, what you got, dude? Fight him easy, fight him easy. Just pull up and reel down. Something good.
Gotta tighten the drag.
Yeah,
tighten it?
Yeah. He's gonna try to get you underneath this dock. All right. If he goes under the dock, just try to let it swim out. It's probably a trout. No. Looks like a little blue. Or what is that? You can just flip it up on the dock once you get him close. Is that a blue runner?
No way.
Let's see. That looks like the fish I was catching in Grand Turk.
Chill out, bro. Chill
Oh,
out.
he's definitely spaz.
Chill out.
Watch your rod tip.
I'm just not trying to...
Yeah, that's a blue runner. Or a barjack. I haven't seen those here
Is
yet.
that keepable? Or is that too small?
No, I wouldn't keep it. And here, hold that. I'm gonna get my pliers.
You gotta get a picture too.
Hold on. There we go. I had to wait for him to spin around. Yeah, it's a barjack. Just don't want to get the treble hooks in my hand. If you hold him over the water, we can let him go just like that. Yeah, on their side, you see that?
Oh my god.
Those little things will
cut
you, yeah. See you later, buddy. They fight pretty good.
Yeah, that was good.
You got the first fish, dude.
When it comes to drag, how does that work?
It's just cranking this
Like
to the right.
Righty-tighty?
Yeah, that's a pretty good set. You don't want to set it too tight, especially with braid like that, because it doesn't stretch. So if you get a really big fish and set the hook, it'll break right away. I got one. Nice one too, boy. Like 17 or something, which this one definitely is.
Hold it up real quick.
Yeah.
Bam. Got it.
Let's get a measurement on him. Here, you hold it. I don't want to set it on the dirt.
Set it on the lid.
Yeah, he's keeper. 17 and a half or 18. Yeah, finally putting a fish on ice.
How's that protein bar?